All right, boys and girls, remember we have 4 different headings this week. All of them are prefixes, things that we put before words. One of them is non, and that means not, usually. One of them that means X, and that usually means not. One of them is in, that can also mean not. The other one, which is for, we'll practice in the other video. We're going to practice the non, X, and in words right now. So show me the word nonsense. Nonsense. If something is nonsense, it usually means it's really silly and something that does not make sense. Nonsense. It should look like this. N-O-N is our prefix, and sense. Now, this is the tricky part. It starts with an S. E-N-C-E. Kind of plays fair. S. It's this the silent E that you don't hear at the end. But we definitely do hear the N and the S sounds at the beginning and end. Go ahead and erase. Show me the word incomplete. Incomplete. Your homework is incomplete, the teacher said. That means not complete. It should look like this. Our prefix is in, that means not, and our base word is complete. Complete. This word pretty much sounds the way it is spelled. In, we hear, come, we hear, and pull, eat. Remember, this E is a magic E. It jumps over the consonant, taps on the E, and says, say your name. So the E says E. Go ahead and erase. Show me the word exclude. Exclude. It is not nice to exclude others. Exclude. It should look like this. We've got our prefix X, which usually means not, and clude. This is a hard C sound. Clude. Do you hear how that's making a hard C? Hard. Exclude. It means somebody's not included. Now we don't have the whole root word, but we've got part of it. Clude. It comes from the word include. Go ahead and erase. Show me the word nonfiction. Nonfiction. Our next unit for reading is a nonfiction unit where we're reading books that are not fiction. Nonfiction. It should look like this. We've got our prefix non and our base word, which is fiction. Fiction. You can remember that shun ending is always going to be T-I-O-N. Shun. Non-fiction. And again, we've got a hard sound with that C. It's saying k. Go ahead and erase. Show me the word incorrect. Incorrect. Hopefully, when you take your spelling words, you will get none incorrect. It should look like this. We've got our prefix in and our base word correct. And here again, in is meaning not. Not correct. This one sounds the way it's spelled. Incorrect. Oh my goodness, we've got another hard C sound. I wonder if all of our C's are going to be hard C's this week. Go ahead and erase. Show me the word express. Express. You can express yourself by saying what you think. Express. Now this one does not follow the rules because it's not really a prefix. It's just its very own word. You can express your feelings. It should look like this. E-X-P-R-E-S-S. You can remember that one because we kind of have our prefix. It looks like it's separated. And then we do have a base word, press. So if you can remember per-s, you can remember express. Go ahead and erase. Show me the word nonstop. Nonstop. I had a student last year who talked nonstop. She talked all the time. Obviously not a true story. Show me the word nonstop. It should look like this. N-O-N is our prefix, and then our base word, stop. You see this probably every day when you're riding on the bus. That's from on a stop sign. Non-stop. Stop. Okay, go ahead and erase. Our last word for this video is income. Income. And income is how much money you make at your job, your income. It should look like this. Income. Income is also not one that really is a prefix with a base word, although in is a prefix and come is a base word. It's just its very own word. It doesn't mean don't come. It means an income is how much money you make. How did you do? Did you do well? If you did, you made your teacher very happy. Keep studying.